everyone, and welcome back to the Ag Bio Rooftop Garden here at the University of Saskatchewan. My name is Katie.
And I'm Joel.
And today I am going to be learning all about these shallow planters that Joel built a couple of years ago. So first off, Joel, can you tell me what material it's made of? How did you build it?
Well, we started with some basic pallets that you can get anywhere. We wanted them to raise up the beds a little bit in order to get some airflow as well as drainage for the water.
Yes.
Then we just got some cheap fence board, and to make a perimeter, or just screwed it right in. Then we got some plastic just to line the inside, just to hold the soil as well, to create some distance in between the wood itself and the soil. And it's important with the plastic as well then to poke holes in the plastic to allow for drainage.
For drainage, yes,
Yeah.
of course. So for the wood, could I just go to any lumber store and just buy wood and nail it together, or?
You can, but it's recommended that you buy untreated wood.
Oh,
And
okay. How come?
it's important because you don't want the chemicals from treated wood to leach into your soil and then into the plants.
Yes, I do not want to be eating chemicals for supper.
Not today.
The plastic, does it matter what color it is? That doesn't have any bearing on the outcome?
No, it doesn't at all. And one nice thing about most of it, except for the fence board, is that everything is reused and repurposed.
Awesome.
So this whole bed probably cost us $4 or $5.
Yeah, can't go wrong with that.
Not at all.
What about what's inside? Are you just using normal potting soil in there?
That's
or?
right. Yeah, we're using a soilless media or potting soil mixed with some compost that we got right here on campus.
Okay, awesome. What about the plants? I see you have lettuce and you have some herbs in these beds as well.
That's right.
Could I grow tomatoes or peppers?
Definitely not recommended.
No.
No.
Okay, how come?
Because with this, you only get about 5 to 6 inches of actual, soil and rooting depth.
Yeah.
So a tomato will need far more than that. So we grow those in our different containers. But with these ones, it's perfect for greens such as lettuce, spinach, sorrel, or herbs.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I think that's all the questions I have. Thank you so much, Joel.
Perfect. No problem.
Thanks for
See
joining
you.
us.